Hemisphere. Hemisphere is half of a sphere. Here, this is a sphere. In this sphere, half part is. That means when we cut this sphere into two halves, two equal parts, that part is passes through the center. Through this center we cut, then hemisphere is formed. In this hemisphere, R is radius. Next, curved surface area. Curved surface area. This green color part is called curved surface area, not this red part. This is called curved surface area of this hemisphere. So the green part is curved surface area here. In this watermelon, what is the curved surface area of this green color? We know the formula, that is curved surface area is equals to 2 pi r square units. What is the formula for curved surface area of hemisphere? 2 pi r square units. In this watermelon, if we consider radius of this watermelon is r is equals to 7 centimeters. Then what is the curved surface area of watermelon? That equals to 2 pi r square, that equals to 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Here we cancel 7 and 7. We get 22 into 22, 44 into 7. 44 into 7 equals to 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28 plus 2. 308 centimeter square. This is the curved surface area of this watermelon. 308 centimeter square. Total surface area. Total surface area means this curved surface area and this base area is called total surface area. This area plus this area. Here r radius r. What is the total surface area of this hemisphere? Formula for total surface area is equals to 3 pi r square units. If here radius value r equals to 7, then what is the total surface area? 3 into 22 by 7, r value 7 we consider here. 7 into 7, 7 cancel, equals to 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 3 pi r square is the formula for total surface area. So we get 66 into 7, that equals to 6 7s are 42. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 462 centimeter square is the total surface of this hemisphere. Next, volume. Volume of hemisphere. What is the volume of hemisphere? this bowl is in the shape of hemisphere. How much quantity of liquid is able to fill in this bowl is considered by using of volume formula. What is the volume formula? Volume of hemisphere is equals to volume of hemisphere is equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. 2 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. If the radius of this bowl is, we consider 3 centimeters, then what is the volume? Then what is the volume of this bowl? Here r equals to 3 centimeters radius of this bowl. Then formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3 into 3 into 3, because r cube, r cancel, then we get total value here. This total value is 396 by 7. So what is the volume of this bowl? 396 by 7 centimeter cube, because volume, so centimeter cube.